गुरु प्यारी साध संगत जी गज वज के आखो वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Snowdonia National Park. Today with Guru Sahib's Kripa we'll be conquering the biggest mountain in the whole of Wales. We've been blessed with the opportunity to raise funds for all the people suffering in Punjab, with a special thanks to Share Charity and Sikh Relief for hosting such an amazing event. Now without any more further ado, Saad Sangat ji, let's try to keep Punjab as close to our hearts as possible while enjoying this fun and exciting documentary of our mountain hiking adventure. How are we doing, guys? Hope you're all doing well. It's currently a nice and cloudy weather here in Wales this morning, and literally the perfect day to do some mountaineering. Probably this is one of the biggest mountains in the whole of the UK, and I'm going to be your official tour guide. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready to explore. Okay guys, quick update. We're currently about to reach the halfway mark. We've totally covered about 6-7 kilometers so far, and we're about to have a nice break. It's been very steep so far and a lot of rocks, a nice beautiful scenery, and we're about to stack on some nice gilly, Jaruri item, and we also got some almonds and badams in my pocket as well. Make sure that you always have some nice nutrients to help you keep going to the top, and we've got some fudge at the back as well. Why don't we go ahead and meet them? Waheguru ji ka khalsa, Waheguru ji ki fateh.
Thanks for calling us nice scenery.
You guys are looking very beautiful today. So guys, you're hiking up towards the mountain right now.
Hopefully.
How's it been so far?
Well, if all slopes were straight and forward as this, it wouldn't be a problem.
Alright.
But unfortunately, this is a hill.
Oh, so
it's up and up and all the way.
Up and up and all the way. Anything, Bob? Is this your first time climbing a mountain?
Yeah. I mean, climbing a mountain, I don't know, I've done DAV before, so
okay.
I don't know if that counts.
So guys, of course we're here today, climbing.
I've been training.
Oh, you have been training as well?
Yeah. I've been training as well to get up the mountain.
Okay.
I've been like familiarizing myself with rocks. I've been watching a lot of Rocky. Rocky 1, 2, 5 to 6. That's it.
That's a quick tip right there, guys. So if you want to learn how to climb rocks, watch all the 3 Rocky movies, and like what you recommended over here. Absolutely brilliant. And of course we're hiking right now. What inspired you guys to come out here today and climb this big mountain?
For me, it was just to be with the Sangat and to do something for charity. We think about our brothers and sisters and the rest of our families back in India who are suffering in the floods. Well, we can't just sit at home and do nothing about this. We've got to raise funds for them. We've got to help them out. They are our brothers and our sisters. We take care of family.
My dad dragged me along, but you know, I've also seen the goals. I mean, they are our brothers and sisters. It's not fair that just because they're in other parts of the world that they have to suffer, or we're just here sitting down in homes on our phones when we could be out here helping them. It's the least we can do.
It's the least that we could do. And thank you for coming down, and you're taking on this mountain now.
We're going down.
Oh yeah, yes. We're going up. We're not going down, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah guys, we're going to continue climbing these rocks and mountains all the way to the top. So we'll catch you guys very soon. Okay guys, so we've currently travelled about 3 hours worth of distance right now. Hope your hiking boots are still attached. My legs and arms are still attached as well, so we might just get, but I think martial arts training is definitely paying off here. and the soil is quite damp right now because it's raining a bit. But if you just look in the distance, you can see the beautiful views, and you can also see the clouds touching the surface of the mountain, which is absolutely incredible. So ladies and gentlemen, tie up your shoelaces, let's continue exploring this beautiful adventure. Okay guys, so we decided to take a different course of direction. There's various different routes and trails that you can follow to get to the summit, which is highest part of the mountain. And we chose to use this trail right now. Some trails are rather easier to follow, some are more rather challenging depending on your climbing skills, your mountaineering skills, and also your physical abilities as well. So yeah guys, without any more further ado, I hope your shoelaces are still tied up. I hope you still got some Barney in your water bottles, and let's continue on exploring. We are proud to interrupt the broadcast because we have officially arrived in the mountain clouds, ladies and gentlemen. This is absolutely amazing. We are currently touching the clouds right now, as you can see. Now, before I used to believe that clouds used to be made out of cotton candy, they used to be made out of sponge, or if I were ever to jump off an aeroplane, I could jump on it and bounce right back off. But ladies and gentlemen, that is not the case. My beard is going all over the place right now because it's really windy right now. Like literally, as you can tell, I'm going to try to straighten it, but it's going all that direction. It's not going to work. So this is my first time experience, and working with Marta Skidpa, it is a beautiful experience as well. So let's continue enjoying this nice fresh air, and let's go up together, ladies and gentlemen, and get to the peak, get to the summit of the mountain. So we're going to continue walking down this lovely trail all the way back to base, but we stumbled upon some lovely Singhs who have also conquered the mountain, it's the Snowdon mountain. So what are we going to say? Fateh Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So before we continue, let's introduce ourselves, our names, our age, and where are you guys from?
Prem Singh, I'm 16 from Coventry.
Danjit Singh from Coventry.
Saib Singh, 16 from Warwick.
Danjit Singh from Coventry as well.
Excellent. So we've got some youngers and we've got the elders here as well, all being respected here today. And you've all conquered the mountain, Mount Snowdon. How do you guys feel?
Feel good, accomplished something hard.
feels good and he feels accomplished. Baji, how do you feel?
Yeah, it's obviously a challenge. We're tired, but you know, it was worth it. Yeah.
How about yourself?
It's quite good. It's probably worth the drive, I think.
Quite good, worth the drive. How about yourself?
Yeah, it's good. We tend to do it every year, so it's good to get up here every once in a time. Yeah.
Amazing. So of course, you guys have participated here today, and we've got one of the monks here with us from Share Charity UK. So Baji, what's the reason behind all of this? Why did you start this? Well, among with the Stay With Us who work together, why did you start this great initiative?
Okay, yeah, well, we started this initiative along with Sikh Channel and Sikh Relief because we wanted to, number one, raise awareness about the projects that we're working on in Punjab and around multimedia. But because we're working with Sikh Relief with their projects in Punjab, supporting them with resources for education, we thought, you know, it's time now to raise some funds towards those projects and raise awareness. That's the main purpose of today.
Amazing. Now, of course, the current situation in Punjab is not the best. So for those of the that are watching in English, what's the current situation like?
Well, I mean, majority would be aware that, you know, obviously we've had the floods in Punjab. Obviously, you know, there are areas where the situation is quite dire with the floods in place and the water's not retracting. We're getting, you know, the risk of diseases, especially around, you know, the animals that are kind of decomposing. A lot of crops have been ruined and livelihoods have been ruined as well. So there's a lot of work to be done in Punjab.
Of course, these unfortunate events, there needs to be charities like ourselves to support those unfortunate lives, those unprivileged lives in Punjab. So it's great to see that, you know, a lot of the Nojawans, people from younger generations and elder generations are here as well. And let's go ahead and speak to some of the Nojawans. Now, of course, you conquered the whole mountain, all the way from the very bottom to the very top. Now, right at the top, for some of the viewers, of course, they might not have the chance to have a little peek at it. What did you witness over there? Did you maybe see any sharks? Did you see any skyscrapers? What did you see at the top of the mountain?
There are just loads of other hills around it. It was good. There are a few sharks, a few skyscrapers.
Maybe some cloud sharks up in the hills. How about yourself?
To be honest, when we got over there, you didn't see much except cloud and some people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So of course this was my first experience going in the clouds. I thought maybe clouds were maybe spongy, probably made out of cotton candy, but that was not the case today. So what was it like? What was your experience being in the clouds?
Good, it was a good laugh. Got the community together.
Yes. Good laugh, got the community together. How about yourself, Baji?
Yeah, it was a good community feel. You know, everybody, the spirit of the Khalsa was there. You know, everybody was determined to get to the top. Even from the youngest, when we got one participant who's only 3 years old, all the way through to people in their 70s, late 70s. So, you know, everybody made the effort to get to the top. And that was the Khalsa spirit that shone through today, even though the extreme weather at the top.
That's
yeah.
amazing. Of course, we're talking about very young people here today, like little kids were here as well, and they still managed to strive all the way through, and that's encouraged us too as well to go all the way to the top, which is absolutely beautiful. Now, of course, Singh, are you going back into university, college? What are you guys going
Back to work.
back to work?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going back into work. If there's one thing you would like to say to your fellow workers right now, because this is Sikh Channel TV, they might be watching this right now, what message would you like to give to them?
To try and do what you can for Punjab. If you have an event near your Gurdwara or your town, do what you can, get the money together, and then let's help those that need it.
And that's a universal message, so not just the workers, but for everyone else as well. What would you like to say to the lovely viewers out there?
Just same message really. Just give money, just help out as much as you can.
How about yourself, Ollie?
Yeah, our main aim is obviously get all of the Sanghas together. You know, this is our time to shine, really. So let's all the NRIs, the people outside of Punjab, we can support those our brothers and sisters in Punjab. So now's the time to come together. Sikh Relief, Share Charity. You know, you can either one, and there's many other Sanghas as well that are doing a lot of good work out there. Let's support them.
How about yourself, Baji?
Same sort of message as well. It's just got to get work with the community and support Punjab in a way we can.
Now, of course, we are working together, both charities, all three charities are working together. What are the likely collaborations that we could see in the future? Some of the things that might be eager to be wondering.
Well, we're already in talks with Sikh Channel at the moment about bringing more youth shows to the channel. Hopefully we'll bring, you know, new innovative content, something that appeals to the next generation. So we want to, you know, obviously keep Sikh Channel into the future. It's not just for the elders, so now is the time to bring that new innovation. So that's what we're working towards.
Amazing. So they've definitely got the right aspirations to move forward, and everything happens with more just Kirpa. So during this whole journey, we were doing some nice Naam Simran as well. So that was a brilliant idea that you guys have started. Well, during the start of the journey, we're making that important announcement that, you know what, have fun, going up climbing, doing your mountaineering, but also remember God at the same time. So it's absolutely brilliant, and we're going to let you guys carry on going down to base 1, and Sad Sangat, we're also going to go down now as well, and we'll catch you guys on the other side. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.